What's up, guys? We're going to a meet. It's Thursday. It's not a usual meet, but yeah. So let's get to it. All right, guys. I gotta go get gas first because I'm on a little bit of a quarter tank, and it's in Lawrenceville, so which is a hour drive from here. So if you guys want to cash out me money, I got $10 in my bank account. I'll put my cash app right there. But yeah, just kidding. My check goes in my account tonight at 3:30. So okay, let's go get gas. Okay, guys. So turns out I had a gift card with like 30 bucks on it that I had no idea I had until I checked the balance of it. So I mean, if you still want to cash out me money, that's cool. But like, yeah. So we're at the car wash. It's Axel's ST. That his car. Omar's G. And Tyreek. Tyreek, say what's up. What's up? Everybody says it's bright. Everybody says it's bright. So yeah, I don't know anybody here, so like we got the SC. Conrad got new tires. No more Mickey Thompsons.
No more sticky Mickey. It's okay. I don't feel bad about sending it on these.
Because they have freaking hella life left.
Jack. Get this part. Can we get a rip in the comments?
Yeah, man.
Rip. What's up, DK? His Instagram's right.
Look at him.
Oh, you gotta do it again.
The vlog missed that so much.
Oh.
What's up, my bro?
What's up, DK's girlfriend?
Y'all go get him right here.
My bad, bro.
I'll go get him right here.
Hey, I don't need to tag it because it's right there, so.
At me in your videos. On the side, both sides. Thank you.
It's about to go crazy here, so. Yeah.
You got me tweaking.
You're good, bro. You're good. Open diff life. think I said don't. DK, you good, bro? You good, bro?
Yo, just went over that on video. I got that on video.
On the light! On the light! Go! Oh my god! I told these guys on the light.
Say it louder.
Say it loud, say it loud, Tyreek, say it louder. Send it! Give us a whoop whoop!
Dip for the one time. Dip for the one time. Hey, you got some. Dip for the one time. At least rev it. At least rev it a little bit. The one time. What's that?
Send it for the one time.
I'll give you $20. I'll give you $20. Police.
All right, guys, my boy Dylan pulled up. Hey, Dylan, what's up? Him and his, I forgot what the name of it is. Big Wang Gang. Big Wang Gang.
Is that a Z06?
Big Wang Gang. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today, dude. It was fun. Not a lot of stuff. You got 12 everywhere, so you know it happens. But all right, guys, catch you guys in the next vlog. Peace.
Yeah, one leg out that brand new Benz way. Hometown, that's near my wrist, yeah. Repetition from my chest, that's a bench press. Studio.